Ever wondered why converting leads into customers seems like climbing Mount Everest? It's a common challenge faced by many small businesses. But what if there was a way to transform this uphill battle into a walk in the park? Welcome to the world of Go High Level. Go High Level isn't just another tool in your business arsenal. It's a game changer, a revolution in lead conversion. Picture a world where your leads are nurtured, engaged, and converted all while you sleep. That's the power of Go High Level. This is a platform that combines the best of marketing automation, CRM systems, and sales funnels. It's like having a team of digital marketing experts at your disposal 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But instead of a team, it's an intelligent system that works tirelessly to grow your business. Imagine having the ability to track the entire customer journey, from the first point of contact to the final sale. Now imagine being able to automate this process, ensuring that no lead falls through the cracks. That's what Go High Level offers. It's about efficiency, effectiveness, and maximum conversion. But it's not just about automation. Go High Level also provides detailed analytics to help you understand your customers better. Know what's working and what's not. Identify trends, track performance, and make data-driven decisions to propel your business forward. And the best part? Go High Level is built for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small local store, a growing startup, or an established company, Go High Level has the tools to take your lead conversion to new heights. So, if you're tired of the struggle, if you're ready to revolutionize the way you convert leads, it's time to try Go High Level. Don't just level up, go high level. Experience the power of intelligent lead conversion. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today. Try Go High Level and watch as your business transforms. Don't just dream about success, make it happen with Go High Level.